Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Marion and on today's video we are making a flounce. I'm going to show you how to cut and sew a flounce. So this is the flounce that I'll be demonstrating on this video. As you can see, I just put it as decoration on a bodycon dress. You can put your flounces anywhere you want on a dress. You can do the hemline, you can do a decoration like I did, you can do them on a skirt. It's really up to you, and today I'm going to show you how to cut a circular type of flounce. Flounces can also be gathered like I did on this video. Please check it out if you haven't. But even on a dress like this, you can do the flounce the way I'm going to be showing you on this video. You don't have to cut a regular rectangle and create gathers. So going straight into the video, because my flounce is double or it's lined, I have folded my fabric so that when I do cut, I'm cutting two pieces of the flounce. You don't have to do this. If you want to just cut a single flounce, don't fold your fabric, but I folded mine because, as I said, of the double layer of the fabric, because I lined the flounce. Anyway, so determine the middle part of your fabric as I have done, and then from the middle part you're going to measure the size of flounce that you want for your dress. So for me, I am going with 7 inches, and that's what I'm measuring. I'm creating a circle of 7 inches radius. So on getting there, creating 3/4 of the circle, I'm not going to finish the circle. I'll start from the area I had started to create the circle on that point, and I'm marking 7 inches and then connecting the 7 inches to where I had left off the circle. I hope it's clear, like that. And then going back to the circle, I'm marking 7 inches and continuing the process. So the next 7 inches I'm marking from the first circle I had drawn, not the middle of not the center of the fabric. And so I'll continue this process until I am out of fabric. But it depends on how much flounce you want, how much flounce you're looking for. If you want just a bit of flounce, you can measure along the line to see if you have enough flounce for what you want. But if you want just a lot, continue creating the circles, and when you're done, measure it. If it's enough, well and good. If it's not enough, you have to repeat the process to create more flounces, because I don't have any other idea of how you can just start by knowing how much flounce you're going to get. I really don't know. But anyway, so that's where we are. My fabric is over and then now I'm going to cut along the lines I have drawn. So by the end of it, you're going to have a long piece of flounce that is 7 inches in width, I guess. And when you get to the middle here, you're just going to cut along that one line. I don't know how to explain that, and then I'm just going to measure to see if it's going to fit my dress from hem to hem, and then we are going to go straight ahead and sew the flounce. So I'm going to sew along that edge, the perimeter of the hemline. If you don't have 2 pieces of fabric, like I said, it's okay. You can just hem instead of sewing it right sides together to create a hemline. You can just fold and hem regularly. But for me, because I have the 2, I'm putting right sides kissing, sewing along the outer edge of the flounce, and then I'll be ready to attach it to my dress. Turn it the right side out and then make sure it is straight. If possible, iron your flounce just to make so that it has a nice finish. And then you can now place it on whatever part of a dress you want to place it. Because I am putting mine from hem to hem on a bodycon dress, I'm going to mark a notch at the middle, at the center of the flounce, so that this notch can guide me on attaching it onto my dress. So here's my dress, it's already done, just remaining with attaching the flounce. And I'm going to so that's the other side of the dress. So starting with the shoulder, I'm going to attach the area where I had marked the notch, and I'm going to just sew along it up to the hem, sew the other side, and then attach the other side piece of the dress, and I will be done. And that is just how I attached my flounce. But for the tutorial, we are just doing like how to cut and sew a flounce, and that is it. If you want to know, if you want like another tutorial for doing the whole bodycon dress including the flounce, please comment down below so that I can work on that. But for now, yes, as I said, this method of cutting a flounce can be used to create flounces that can be used on different areas of a dress or whatever. Anyway, please subscribe. Hope you liked the video. Ciao.